Good afternoon. It is July 22nd, 2025, and today we had another range day. Really, this sell off. Uh, I guess July 22nd starts about right here, and we kind of just went sideways, and then we had this strong sell off. But right now it's 12:33, so the market closes to the public in about 30 minutes, and we're right about where we started. So here's how it looks on the daily chart. So if it does tick higher, or stay higher, it's a doji with a bull body. So that's something to think about because we broke out of this range. We're at all-time highs, so um, that might be a sign of bull strength, but it's hard to say right now because this is just congested, and this could be resistance, it could not be, but that's what we're looking at. July is coming to a close, so it's looking like a bullish month so far, um, with about 1 week of trading left. So keep that in mind too. Um, but another pretty low volume day. Let's take a look at how many bars we had today. So if the market reopened right here, uh, if we closed right now, we would have 141 bars. So again, another low volume day. You can see this strong sell off. All it did was it bounced at the bottom of this move. So these are real sell vacuum tests of support, buy vacuum tests of resistance. These things happen. So let's take a look at this price action. This is the 2700 tick chart. Um, so 5 o'clock comes in, and you're making your way back to this potential level of resistance, which I do like. So, if you sell with a limit order here, especially when you see these three bars with stems on the top, I think that makes sense. And what people did was they bought the 50%. Here, let's throw the Fibonacci retracements here. All they did was they bought at 50%. You can see that. And they bought a little lower than 50% too. And we went up, and I was kind of surprised at how far this move went, but Al Brooks says that in broad channels and in trading ranges, there are often strong second leg traps. And that's what happened here. This is a broad bear channel. And this second leg, the second bull leg, 1, 2, looks stronger than the first. The bodies are bigger, uh, and it just looks very strong. But for that reason, I think you can sell this. And I did sell this, and I started paying attention to some stocks, and I didn't watch this, and my my default profit target was only 4 points, and so I missed out on like a 20-point move. If you move your, I think I bought like around here or sold around here, so 44, and if you just move your stop to above each bar, that would have got me 22 points. That's $100 on the MES, which is what I'm trading right now. Um, and yeah, very reasonable place to take profits here. It bounces, goes back to the EMA, sells off again. Something you want to pay attention to: the sell to close bears were able to get out. We didn't get another close that matched this one. This is a little higher. So then we start making higher lows. Could you get this reversal? Yes, I think you can. I think you can buy this reversal here. Problem is you get 3 dojis in a row. So if you would prefer just buying the lower high that comes before that, I think that's okay. Then we trade into this range here, and this is fairly consistent. So I mean, you get a higher low right here. I think you could buy that, and that turns out to be a terrific move. You get instant feedback. That's always nice. you probably wouldn't hold the whole way up unless you're doing like max scalp and run strategy maybe. So anyway, big move here. Test these highs before selling off. You get two legs. That's another second leg trap right there. The second leg looks stronger than the first, but all they did was they trapped the bears, and now it's ticking higher. So we'll have to wait. The bar on the daily chart closes in an hour and a half, so we'll have to wait and see what that looks like. But here's what it looks like right now. That's one last look at it. Here's one last look at the 2700 tick chart. Hope everyone had a good day. I'll be back tomorrow.